What is with you? You love getting on camera and yapping like a moron. True, I do. What do you want me to say? Project's going terrible. It's cursed by demons. I'm being forced to pay for my hubris. I refuse. I refuse.
It's Tuesday, and, yeah. Welcome to Stitchin with Salt. I'm editing Mary, and, I guess I'll be your host this week.
Why are you doing the intro? That's Camera Mary's job.
Well, she won't talk.
What do you mean she won't talk? All she ever does is talk.
It's Tuesday, and she hasn't laid down a single intro all week. She's just been in there listening to Wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald on permanent repeat.
That good ship and true was a bone to be chewed when the gales of November came early. Well, at least she's been stitching, hasn't she?
Yeah, she's been stitching all right. Been stitching for 3 days straight. Like a woman hounded by the demons of hell. I got hyperlapse coming out of my ears.
So what's the problem? Throw in some passive-aggressive title cards. Job done. The more she shuts up, the better off we all are.
Don't you think you were a little hard on her last
Wasn't
week?
hard on her. Just gave her a little pep talk, that's all.
Come on. Who do you think you're talking to? I'm the editor. I see everything you do. And I judge it.
That's why we're friends. Editor, critic, we have a lot in common.
Do we?
Common goals.
Well, I only got one goal. That's getting this show edited. And from where I'm sitting, it looks like you might be a problem.
Oh, for God's sake, get a hold of yourself.
You know what I do with problems.
And what the hell was I supposed to do? I got a job on this team too, you know. I'm supposed to keep her from going completely around the bend. Let's sing one more time. Gotta get editing Mary some video.
Well, you're doing a bang-up job.
Not my fault if she can't take a little constructive criticism.
All I'm saying is, I think it's time. Time to call in the big guns.
What do you mean?
Oh, you know exactly what I mean. We need to call her.
No. No. Are you nuts? You're as crazy as she is. Absolutely not.
I don't see another option.
No.
I need Camera Mary's sparkling and incisive commentary.
You do not understand. You cannot call her.
Got the phone right here.
She is my mortal enemy.
I got a series to finish, and my talent is in there singing songs about shipwrecks.
Okay, just let me go talk to her.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that will help.
Just don't do anything stupid. And don't call her.
Be nice.
Niceness is for the weak. All right, loser, what is with you?
You ever knock?
Why won't you talk?
Talking now, aren't I?
You know what I mean. Why haven't you done any intros?
Been too busy stitching.
Well, editing Mary is going a little funny. And I think it's the lack of footage.
She's got plenty of footage.
Yeah, about maritime disasters. Is this a maritime disaster channel now? You've changed it so many times.
Look, she's got plenty of footage. She's got some great singing.
So what is with you? You love getting on camera and yapping like a moron. I mean, providing sparkling, and incisive commentary.
What do you want me to say? Like, project is going terrible. Being hounded by demons. Being forced to pay for my hubris.
That sounds pretty good.
I refuse. I refuse. I will walk down the gangplank to the gallows, to the flames of my own creative immolation. Proudly. Silently. Singing.
So it's a burning gallows
Yeah.
on a pirate ship.
Well, yeah. Look, just, you guys need footage. You got footage. I don't care. Whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you want footage so much, you go do it. You go get on camera.
Fine. How hard can it be?
Harder than you think. God.
All right. It's Tuesday, and Camera Mary does not want to get on camera for whatever reason. I guess she's on strike. So it falls to the members of her team to step in and support her in this time of need. So here I am. I'm going to talk through what's been going on this week. She got a lot of shapes laid in, clearly. They're not shapely shapes, perhaps, but they're shapes. They are of a shape. I know she was going to try to do the Palestrina. I guess she didn't. She did not celebrate her shame, as she often does. Maybe she'll do that next week.
Yeah, maybe.
Morse code. Got Morse code laid in. I mean, overall, I'm glad you have a lot of beads. This isn't my job.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Stay calm. Everybody just stay calm. All right? Camera Mary got a lot done this week. She got the little eyeballs done. She got shapes laid in. She got a lot done. She demonstrated true grit. A can-do spirit. Maybe it should have been a can-don't. Leave that aside. And she's got a ton of beads. And she'll be able to put 15 million tons of beads on this so that observers will be dazzled and distracted. How's that?
Oh, great. Thumbs up, 100%. Ugh.
Am I supposed to tell him to boop the like button?
No. Just throw it to hyperlapse. Editing Mary, just throw it to hyperlapse.
that sucked. You are not good at that.
What was I supposed to say about that colossal cluster?
That's it. I'm calling her.
Oh, no. Please. Look, how about I make you a deal? No self-loathing for a month.
No, we like the self-loathing.
No crippling self-loathing. Do you understand what she'll do? Do you understand the consequences?
Hello? Oh, hey. Hey, hi. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, it's editing, Mary. No, I'm alone. Yeah, you been watching? Yeah. We need you. You be here for the next episode? Great. Nah, I can't really talk about that. No, she still won't talk. Oh, I got some stuff on camera. Lots of hyperlapse. Savage Inner Critic. No, wait. We'll talk about that one later. Okay. Alright, well, yeah, cool, whatever. We'll see you next week. And it'll be awesome to see you. I'm looking forward to it. Alright. Bye.
What have you done?
Make your own rose superior sing in the rooms of her ice water mansion. Old Michigan seems like a young man's dreams. The islands and bays are for sportsmen, and farther below Lake Ontario takes in what Lake Erie can send her, and the iron books go as the mariners all know, with the gales of November, remember.
So, don't sigh.
Okay, one more time.